Hello everyone. Welcome to your exciting journey into the world of science and technology. Today, we will explore some modern and impressive agricultural machinery. You won't believe these amazing technologies are changing the way we farm. Let's start our technological adventure now. First, let's explore the round baler, one of the most effective space-saving inventions in agriculture. This machine is attached to the tractor and moves over the lawn, collecting and compacting the hay into regular round bales. These round bales of grass not only help store grass neatly, but are also easy to transport and store. Impressive, isn't it? Next is the Tanco 13120, an indispensable machine when it comes to preserving hay. With the ability to wrap hay bales with sturdy plastic film, this machine keeps hay from becoming damp and losing quality. You will see it lift the hay bale, rotate it, and wrap plastic wrap around the hay bale like a skillful gift wrapping artist. The result is perfectly preserved bales of grass, ready for the coming days. Moving on to the bed maker, a great tool to help optimize planting. This machine creates raised beds in fields, making irrigation easier and more efficient. The rollers behind the machine compact the soil to shape the bed, creating ideal conditions for plants to grow and absorb water. Don't miss the agricultural mulching machine, a technology you may have never seen before. This machine not only covers the soil with plastic film, but also creates holes to sow seeds, keeping the soil moist and helping plants grow strongly. Can you imagine saving water and improving farming efficiency? Introducing the mobile sludge mixer, a giant machine for biogas production. With a powerful grinding head and the ability to thoroughly mix ingredients, this machine produces high-quality sludge, ready for bioenergy production. Imagine this happening right in your fields. Meet Big Bud 747, the world's largest and most powerful tractor. At 14 feet tall and 1,100 horsepower strong, the Big Bud 747 can replace up to 10 conventional tractors. With the ability to plow a hectare of land in 2 minutes, you can't help but feel overwhelmed by its power. Gutter cleaner, ideal tool for cleaning irrigation ditches. With a special bucket design, this machine helps remove trash and weeds, maintaining depth and water flow in the ditch. You can see a clear difference immediately after the machine operates. Explore the Strawmaster, a giant machine used to clear weeds and crop residue. With a 42-foot wide rake and long metal rake teeth, this machine clears large areas of weeds in just minutes. Imagine how easy it becomes to clean the fields. Don't miss the weed burner, a perfect tool to completely destroy crop residue and weeds. This machine uses fire to heat the soil surface, helping to kill weeds and prepare the soil for new crops. This is an effective and time-saving way to clean soil. Meet the Oxbow 4334, the incredibly powerful self-propelled lawnmower. With a 40-foot wide blade, this machine clears large fields of weeds quickly and effectively. You will be surprised to see how fast it works. Introducing Wrap 10, a modern tree pruner that helps create round shapes for plants. The machine operates on electricity, making it easy to create unique shapes for plants without much effort. Imagine beautiful gardens with perfectly manicured trees. This is the Modelo A500 LSA, a large water pump that helps pump water from ditches into fields quickly and effectively. With a 1-foot wide water pump pipe, this machine helps provide adequate water to fields, saving time and effort. Discover the Rock King 9600, an efficient rock collector. With 3 continuously rotating buckets, this machine helps collect ice quickly and easily. The efficiency in cleaning rocks on the ground will definitely surprise you. Introducing the Iris 2500, a rock burying machine that helps smooth out rough ground surfaces. This machine inverts the soil, bringing the topsoil down and the bottom soil up, creating a flat land surface ideal for farming. Discover the Teagle Titan, an efficient dry manure spreader that saves time and effort. With the ability to spread fertilizer evenly across fields, this machine ensures fertilizer is distributed evenly, helping plants grow strongly. Finally, let's look at the underground pipe spreader, an extremely convenient tool for installing plumbing without digging. This machine cuts soil and installs water pipes at the same time, saving time and effort. How do you see these modern agricultural technologies? Do you think they will be great solutions for agriculture in Vietnam? Share your opinion in the comments section. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next interesting and useful videos. Thank you for following.